The Canon EF-S 60mm macro lens delivers impressively sharp detail and pleasing contrast, making it a strong choice for close-up work on Canon crop sensor digital single-lens reflex cameras. Its bright f2.8 aperture helps in low-light situations and gives portraits and product shots a smooth, shallow depth of field. The lens can focus as close as life-size reproduction, so tiny subjects like insects, jewelry, and textures fill the frame with crisp clarity. Autofocus is driven by a ring-type ultrasonic motor that feels quick, accurate, and very quiet, which is helpful for both stills and casual video. An internal focusing design keeps the lens from extending as it focuses, preserving balance on the camera and preventing the front element from creeping toward your subject. Despite being a dedicated macro lens, it also works well as a short telephoto prime, offering a natural perspective for portraits and everyday shooting on Canon EF-S mount bodies.